On Tuesday, a comprehensive community welfare initiative was held at the Tui Pathor ground in Asigar village. The event was jointly organized by the TSR 10 Battalion and Mandai Police Station. The outreach program focused on providing support across different age groups within the village. For elders, a blanket distribution drive was held to provide winter relief. For youth, volleyballs and sports equipment were provided to encourage physical activity. For students, essential study materials were distributed to support local education, and a specialized health camp was conducted to provide medical check-ups and consultations for the villagers. The program was graced by several high-ranking officials who personally interacted with the beneficiaries: Anirban Dhan Chaudhary, Commandant 10 Battalion TSR, Dipu Debarma, OC Mandai Police Station, Pritam Chandra Nayak, Assistant Commandant, and Jalanta Jamatia Subedar.
All minister of that came into Palota Claiton, Avano, police procession. Police procession, Sopsoy, all this way on Logito, nor a Zodi, Abono Tiakoe, drugs no Tiakoe, na, Chini Homazo, Chini Paranisarono, all deep tickets in Yaka, non can mouse to the Donhanse, nor of Pumbai, Zugaru Kadi, Jet Kuno Daga, Jetuno drugs peddler, Palna, Barsana Donhanse, Bono. Counseling खाना नहीं डॉक्टर आ काउंसलिंग खाना नहीं पारानी बोलो नोरा खाए ऑक्रा चक्रा बोलो बेलाय के भूमिका कहाँ भूमिका ना हमें नहीं अदरवाइज शुरू पुलिस वैसे में अब ना इंडोमेंट है निया और जगह रोगा नॉन निकाल पान खाते हैं आज जिस तरह ड्रग्स नो से फिनिश समाप्त थे क्या हासिल परिमाण नहीं जो आशा कलायो नोरा पुलिस प्रशासन में सहयोगी भी रखा Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chini Khora.